lot of you, because you'll be in transitions in your late teens, early 20s, you'll probably have the second or third car, bad tires, bad brakes, old headlights. It'll get you back and forth, but it'd be really hard to see. If you're in your late 20s, you probably have got maybe your first car, and whatever it is, like Mustangs, you're gonna get a Mustang. You like Camaro's, fine. Truck, whatever, bro. In your late 20s, you'll probably think like you're married. And now your whole world is going to change because now you got a life in your car. You're not going to drive fast, get crazy, be late. But that little life is listening to you. If you road rage, they're going to road rage. If you're snapping on people, cussing out people, flipping out, they're going to do that. Because those little ears are listening to you. That little face is watching. Okay, I'm going to get over one lane to the left. The younger me would have been doing stupid fast speed, slide, drifting. Because the brand name tires I had were the good ears, and they're really good at high speeds. They're terrible in wet weather. And about 8 years ago, I had a Cherokee. That's Pirelli's vehicles. You know, Pirelli's are very expensive tires, very good tires. Maintenance was bad. These tires cost about $500 a piece. You need 4 tires, they cost $500 a piece, that's $2K. So I think a lot of these people out here are just pretending like they got money. You hear me? But they don't really have any money. They bring a used car, off-brand tires, and then when you're out here in these conditions, you're going to crash. Because I was ridiculous in that truck. I don't even want to tell you how fast I used to drive. Just putting my life and other lives in danger. So you'll get all that out of your system, hopefully. If not, you won't make it to 30. I always gave respect to truck drivers. A lot of my friends are semi-truck drivers. They tell me one thing: tell your students, stay the hell away from trucks. So, yes. Try to be smooth on the speed. But about 69 miles an hour. I don't want to put too much steering input in. This is a 2024 Equinox front-wheel drive, 14K on the speedometer. Tires are still crispy new front and back, so I feel pretty safe in this, but I don't want to assume anything. And I don't want to hang around people, so I just tap that gas and got away from them. Because I've seen cars spin out and take out all cars in the lane. So also, I've been on drives like this to Kansas, to Texas, to Florida. You're lonely, you're tired, you don't do a lot of thoughts. But I think today you got a lot of younger truck drivers, a lot of drivers who are more aggressive, got much faster cars. A lot of these young guys, ladies drive these little imports, give a little tune, make the exhaust pop. I'm not mad, I love cars too. But also I want to be safe. A lot of people have tinted windows too. I've never been a fan of that. I want to be able to see. My dad always said, boy, make sure you have good tires on your car. that made sense. There's a lot of standing water here, so I'm just trying to be predictable. This car is very predictable, and you see most people kind of staying at one speed. See, I don't know what they do. Probably got to adapt to cruise control with tinted windows, man. A lot of people don't really drive anymore. They just set their computer and let it eat. I think actually physically driving, and you know, we're heading toward autonomous driving. It's already here. A lot of these people, they just set the computer. So, you know, I got, I don't know, 8 years, 10 years left of driver's ed. What is that next generation driver going to be like? Really know how to drive? I don't know, Mom and Dad. I don't know, son and daughter, niece or nephew. Well, some of you said you just old. Well, it's okay. I like technology too. You know, you need to know how to do both. I'm not against self-driving cars.